This is a song created by me and Tim. Right now it's called What Time Is It? He picks up his phone call and he texts. He doesn't know what's going on anymore. Phone call.
Phone in place.
I need the phone in place. I'll take the card and give it to you. To you. In this world, there's no one like you. I know you're stupid, but it's still worth it.
I just found myself never getting too much. Every little mistake you make, I still forgive you. Cause you are the one.
You are the one
I love for sure.
I love for sure.
There's no one better,
No one ever
better than you.
better than you. Better than you. Nije motua kuopo sama por. Oh yeah. Cheers.
DNA. Don't forget the J. He's half naked over there.
Jay Lee, we need you in this video. Right now he's still texting. Still texting.
The new THJ. Be your egg, your new style. This is the new style.
New style. New style.
I wanna get carried away. I wanna get carried away. I wanna get carried away.
Carry away.
None that I say that you make my day.
Make my day.
I love you.
He's just lying.
I'm just lying.
For real, he was for real. But he loved you just the way I do. I still love you like how he loves you. How he loves you. Wedding dress, you remember how that guy lost his girlfriend. How he lost his girlfriend, that's the way how we been. Oh yeah, I know that is just a sin. know the
shoot.
computer's cut dead, but it's okay. Now we're 5 minutes. Say it, I know it's still cool, cause yeah, go Tim.
The time is over. The time is over.
Over.
It's over, so we're gonna say